Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Hey guys, we are on our way to HALLER Park right now. We are going to the animal reserve, so I'll be taking you guys along with me, and you'll be seeing this together through my lens. So let's get going. Great my gown. I actually bought it in Kenya here. Hope it's looking nice.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
So guys, we are on our way now. We are inside tuk-tuk. Is this tuk-tuk? Eh? Is this tuk-tuk? So we are inside tuk-tuk right now. On our way to the animal reserve. I will take you guys along with me. Culture shock. You guys, look at these beautiful artifacts along the road. The road is just so beautiful, and the leaves, the green leaves, everything is just so awesome. And there's one culture shock we actually experienced in Kenya, which is they call their keke napep tuk-tuk, just like Indians they call it tuk-tuk, and it's just like 2 people or 3 people that are always at the back of it. And again, that's my son. You guys should know mine. And again, they also have covers, like there's a door at the entrance of their keke napep where passengers actually sit. They have 2 doors there. You can either come in from the left or you come in from the right, and they mostly do charter along the Malindi road. So we're on our way to HALLER Park right now. I'll see you guys when we get there. So you guys should just enjoy the views on the road. Like, they are just so beautiful from our hotel to HALLER Park at BAMBURI. This is the park. We just got to the park now, and we're about to making our way inside the park. You guys really had a lot of fun. Now I'll be taking you guys along with me inside the park. So welcome to BAMBURI Park. So we are on our way to the reception just to ask. And before I forgot, this park is actually not free for tourists. If you are a tourist and you're coming to the country to check, to see the animal reserve, you have to pay a token amount of, I think, 1,000 shillings. That was what we paid each. But for the 2 of us, that's like 2,000 shillings.
I know animal can come up right down. Thank you.
It is safe.
Okay.
Right,
Somebody is scared here. Kò sí láyọ̀ bí ẹjọ́ o.
Thank you.
So guys, at this point we are looking at the reception at the front, like we are almost at the reception.
Fish farm, hippos, buffaloes. And how critical is it that him and his family take care of that land if they don't? What happens?
Alright, so come to see.
Their location is equal to one. We give them a farming, cultivation time.
The video meets.
So where the trail?
1 year.
Okay, trail.
Yeah, so straight down there to the crocodile thing.
But wait, nobody's going to follow us.
No, we normally gather groups.
Okay.
If you want, just
But are we
it's
safe?
safe. All the animals are enclosed.
Oh, they're enclosed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But how will we know our way back?
So it goes round. That way. You'll find yourself back. So I say go straight down to the crocodile pen and then left to the fish farm, straight to the game sanctuary where we have the hippos and the buffalo. Then you come back to the
Hey, you go.
Said it's safe, so I have nothing to be scared of.
You guys, this place is a typical example of nature at its best. Like, look at the surroundings, everything. This is me freestyling, you know, trying to feel myself. Don't mind me, guys. So this is the surroundings of the HALLER park. So we are trying to walk towards some of the reservoir and some of the animals where they are being kept. So let's just go in to the bush. So guys, at this point we are walking towards the crocodile reservoir. At this particular place there were so much. I've never seen crocodile in my life before, but I saw it here once and there were so much. But we're still coming back to this place probably when it's time for feeding, because whenever they are trying to feed them, that is when people usually come to see them, so they can come out at large. Do you understand? So when it's time for feeding, we'll probably come back here so you guys can see as much as they are. So right now we'll just try and walk into other places to see other animals. So guys, at this point we just finished seeing the crocodile, the yellow crocodile, the buffalo, the 50-year-old buffalo that is living its last days on earth. So we are going towards the giraffe. It's time for feeding of giraffe, so we are going towards the giraffe. And there's this also 30-year-old tortoise that is on the way to where we can see the giraffe. This is the tortoise right here. It's actually up to 30-year-old. I don't know, I can't remember the years, but we're told it has lived it has been there for a very, very long time, which we took some pictures with. And at the point we were scared to touch, but there's a woman that actually came to ginger us, and we were able to touch it and took some pictures with it. So guys, it was when this woman came to ginger us, that was when we were able to summon courage to move towards the tortoise. Initially we were scared. This is me trying to touch it. I was so scared, guys. I was so scared, but at the point I had to summon courage to touch it and take pictures. And okay, this is the woman I was talking about. So that was when I was able to summon the courage to go touch it. And at this point, when the tortoise was being massaged, you guys look at it, that was when it tried to it rose up. It was enjoying the massage. The woman massaged it thoroughly. That was when, see the way it stood up, like it was so enjoying the massage. So a lot of people were trying to now touch it afterwards. That's my hobby, trying to also touch it and took some pictures with it as well. So we're moving towards the giraffe here. It's time for their feeding. That one is okay for us. Yeah, give me some.
Sugar to hapa, as you
No.
can just come down. Come down.
Calm down. It's not going to do anything.
Straight to your hand.
Oh my God.
This way. This is like lotion, there is no problem.
You told me if you told him, you know. When now, if no, when now. Oh, yeah, my video it over. Hi, slimy. Lotion here, lotion. Eh? You pack it.
Oh yeah, give me some.
Bring it, let me just do a full video of you. Yeah.
So friendly.
He's not friendly, he's hungry. I don't just like the...
No, come here, come to this side.
Wait, wait.
I have to close my eyes.
I've seen the feeling. That feeling.
So, blah. What should I do? Bring it. Video. So long. I've been there. Check out. I've been there 50.
Wow, seeing them is the feeling is
Sorry.
so sorry.
Oh, the Jonathan.
We just finished feeding the giraffes and we are here to get our lunch. Then afterwards we'll go to the hippopotamus park to also feed them, to see how they are fed. And so we are going to the crocodile. We are going back to the crocodile reservoir. It's time for their own feeding. So they would assemble at the reservoir where they will be given food. What they eat is actually fresh meat. So I will show you guys how they are being fed as well. How do they know the time to eat? Like now, they are all assembled.
Every day 4:30. So you see that
They are used to
like human beings. So if you eat every
do a particular
that's
when is that time you feel it?
Yeah. So 4:30 they just come close. You see, like the hippos.
Yes.
During the day they are still allowed, but at around 4 they just come out by themselves because they are used to.
Okay, where were they when we were there before now, and they were not there? Do they go into the water or something?
They were inside the water.
They were inside the water.
Wow.
Oh, but we won't see them inside the water now. We won't see them
No,
because
they were hiding
No,
somewhere.
like
So
when they
only-
will come out.
they are bringing
seen
the
them.
head back.
Okay.
But during the time, they come out.
the big daddy. It's a movement of Queen. You want to assemble see. We don't know my
It's okay. It's okay.
So the one who is luck is going to get a piece.
So it's my luck. Hey. Big video.
Very ready.
They will jump.
Yeah.
Shit. See the sound. Wow. Are you sure it's not only Big Daddy that will eat all these things?
Big daddy is back home.
Big Daddy is 2 weeks to run.
Too heavy.
Yeah. This one is so determined.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, we just finished from the park and watched everything. We've seen the animals eat and all. So we are going back to our hotel right now. And I'll see you guys when I get to the hotel room. Okay? So my husband. Hello, look back. I'll see you guys later, okay? I'll see you later. Later.